Welcome back to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go to moniker aka Mixmaster Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender with bartending. This week we got another special edition. We're gonna teach you how to make a Tequila Mockingbird. Now, this recipe got me excited. Now let's go over the ingredients that it takes to make a Tequila Mockingbird. We need tequila, lime juice, agave. We have chopped jalapenos, and we have chopped watermelon. We got our ingredients. Let's make this bad boy. The recipe is gonna call for us to muddle jalapenos and watermelon. So for those out there that don't know what the muddling process is, you put your fruit and the jalapenos in, and you just mash it all together. It's muddling time. Now we have our jalapenos and our watermelon muddled. Now let's add in the alcohol. Adding in the alcohol, we're gonna add ice to our shaker tin. Then we're gonna take an ounce of tequila. We're gonna go a dash of agave. Go a dash of lime juice. And now we're gonna shake this thing up. It's shaking time. Now we have our content shaken. We're just gonna transport it to our glass. We're gonna garnish this drink with a watermelon on the end. And that's how you make the perfect Tequila Mockingbird. Thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to go to our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.